How to use food stamps on DoorDash. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, head over to your DoorDash application or the official website. Food stamps like SNAP or EBT is provided by DoorDash in order to use the food stamps. So in order to do so, first and foremost, go to the account tab and access the payment methods under account settings. Then after, you have to add your SNAP or EBT card as a payment method. If the option to add a SNAP or EBT card is not available, it means the service is not supported for your account. Then after, you have to input the card details and other relevant information. After that, verify the card. If valid, it will appear under your Save Payment Methods. Browse the eligible grocery items, filtering for SNAP eligible products, and it will be marked with specific icon. After adding it to your card, proceed to checkout and you will select your SNAP or EBT card as payment method during checkout. Now choose the amount to be deducted from your card balance and you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.